Hey, it's Ryan with Backward Reviews, and we are going to go ahead and look at these chicken waterers. This is the horizontal chicken waterers, 20 pack. Some ask, why would you need a 20 pack? Well, if you haven't had birds before, your chicken waterers are, constantly in contact with the bird, and between cleaning and everything, a lot of the washers get wore out. So we got the basic tools here. Comes with everything you need except the drill. So, nice clear instructions. It includes the drill, washers, to put it on, thread tape. So it's a good kit. What's nice about this kit that I've noticed from other kits is on the back, you have the back side washer is a wing nut, so you can get it off without any tools. Okay, let's put it on, and we're going to use this food safe bucket and supplement our chickens with another watering pail. I typically don't put them right at the bottom, so if there is some kind of sludge or something in there, getting them off the bottom, make sure that the backside is flush and you have enough room to do what you need to do. We have the holes drilled. So we take the thread tape, and we put some on the threads. We put it in with the installation tool. And then on the back side, we put a gasket and a wing nut. Easy peasy, just like that. It is best to use a water bucket, in my opinion, that doesn't allow any light inside the bucket, so you have reduced chance of algae growth. Still have to check the bucket each week or every couple days, make sure there's going to be no mold. Right at the end, after you put it on, to not strip the threads, it's best to hand tight the last few cranks if you can. And when you push the nipple down, when you're squishing the silicone O-ring, you don't need to like really crank it. You just got to seal it. If you put it too tight, you can create a leak instead of prevent a leak. Okay, now we got a chicken bucket made out of an old bucket, watering bucket. And then the top, we used it for, this was a winter wheat bucket. So it had a nice gasket on there, so that'll work. I could put some nipples underneath too for vertical nipples. Those are a little bit different, but for our flock will be fine. My name is Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.